Good evening, everyone. Well, Tyler, a down day on Wall Street, and it seems like investors are starting to pay attention to bad news.
Certainly this week and certainly again today, Susie. After spending much of the year blissfully gliding over whatever troubling news there was, stocks today succumbed to a dose of reality. It came in two forms: earnings worries and Cyprus, where a banking crisis shows few signs of abating and the country's credit rating was cut. The Dow, though closing well off the lows of the session, nevertheless ended 90 points lower at 14,421. The Nasdaq down 31, and the S&P 500 falling further from its near record high, off 13 points today. Now, stocks got little help from more good news about housing. Sales of existing homes last month hit a 3-year high, while average home prices in January shot up 6.5% from a year ago. On the labor front, first-time jobless claims rose by only 2,000 last week, but it was enough to send the monthly average to a fresh 5-year low. No matter, today stock investors did what they haven't done much of this year at all: find trouble in the news. Until this week, stocks have led a charmed life in 2013. Day after day, the Dow played past the headlines. Its worst losing streak of the year, 2, and it's closed higher 7 out of every 10 trading days this year. But this week, after nearly 3 months of gains that would make for a pretty good year of returns, investors woke up. Those banking woes in Cyprus were a first jolt, a reminder that Europe's problems are far from solved. Then came earnings issues at 3 bellwethers: FedEx, Caterpillar, and Oracle, a transport, an industrial, a tech.
This market is not really ready to take off. The economy is not really ready to take off. It does give us a little pause, maybe across the board. Economy is slowing down, at least temporarily.
Ben Bernanke did calm the markets yesterday.
At this meeting, the committee judged that no adjustment was warranted.
Today, though, as investors look east to Europe and ahead to an earnings season promising little profit growth, 2013's charmed life for stocks seems so yesterday.